flabby arms, heavy bust or heavy midriff and want to wear spaghetti tops like this? First is fit. Please make sure that it fits your body great. Buy a bigger size if you have to. It has to flow over your bust and your midriff. Strapless bras work very well because they are spaghetti straps and you don't want the straps visible. However, sometimes when your bra color and your top color is similar, you can wear something with straps. Number 3, you can style them with shorts for your regular day, with pants or denims for your smart casual day. Pairing them with skirts also create like a fun look. Number 4, layer them with kimono jackets for regular days, or it's fall season, or even at work. Or you could layer them with structured jackets because the spaghetti straps won't be visible, so you can wear this to work as well. And number 5, the most important, don't let others' voices impact you in trying to wear this. See, it's not necessary that everyone likes wearing sleeveless or spaghetti tops or tube tops, but it has to be something that you don't like wearing. If it is because someone else has constantly told you that you have heavy arms or heavy bust or heavy stomach, and that is why it is stopping you, then I think we should learn to drown those voices out. I know your arms are totally on display when you wear spaghetti straps, and that might make you feel uncomfortable, but let me tell you, a half sleeve or a cap sleeve will show off your arms much more than a spaghetti strap. A spaghetti strap will actually show off your shoulder blades. Do let me know if you have any more questions.